Welcome to this quick update on PebblePad and the new Atlas interface coming in early 2026. In this video, we'll walk you through the key changes, show you where familiar tools have been moved to, and highlight what has and hasn't been changed. Logging into PebblePad is same as usual. From the PebblePad landing page, everything will look very similar. However, when you click on the blue Atlas at the top of the screen, you'll access the new user interface. This new interface is only for Atlas and not Pebble Plus. So this is only for the academics, and the students will still see the same workspace that they used to. Previously, the workspaces that you were managing would be on the left-hand side, with the resources on the right side. The new dashboard landing page displays your workspaces on your front screen. From here, you can search your workspaces and even click on the three dots to pin a workspace. On the left-hand side menu, you'll find Users and your Resource Manager. Also below will be a link to Pebble's own help resources and to collapse the menu. When opening up a workspace, you will see the About, Submissions, Resources, Community and Conversation settings here. We usually turn off the About, Community and Conversation settings when we're setting up a workspace, as we use the DLE for these features. In the General Settings, you'll find general settings including the workspace title and description, and which pages are visible to the workspace. We can also edit the About page, and also we can set up notifications. Within the Assignments menu, we can set submission dates. And also we can restrict the submissions to a specific asset type. We usually have workbooks which have already been pre-created for the students to fill in. We usually select auto submissions as default, and also we can select prevent users from removing their submissions. Within the feedback menu, we can tailor any of our feedback for our particular workspace. In the members, this is where we can add our students. We can either add a student individually, or we can click Synchronize with New Member Group and import a DLE course code. Managers are where we'll be adding staff, and here we can select the suitable permissions for them. Externals, for those courses that have external assessors, this is where we can add those. Sets. Sets is the term for groups within PebblePad. We can assign students to academic or external assessors in this section. Logs. The logs contain the history of the workspace interactions. And we've got PebblePad's Help Hub and the Collapse menu toggle. And finally, if you administer more than one workspace, Atlas now has a breadcrumb at the top of the page that helps you navigate to your dashboard. I hope this has helped your understanding of the new cosmetic changes that's happened within Atlas within PebblePad. Thank you.